Hi guys, this is your very welcome to another food adventure. Today we are at Royal Andhra Spice located in the bustling area of HRBR Layout, Banaswadi in Bengaluru in Karnataka. Let's dive into our experiences. The first thing you will notice is the ambience. It's truly a fantastic with a royal interior that sets the stage for a rich dining experience. The atmosphere is elegant and the service is top notch. If you're a fan of authentic Andhra cuisine, this place is for you. And from the moment you walk in, you are greeted by the warm, inviting ambience that perfectly complements the rich and flavorful dishes they serve. Now let's talk about the food. We tried all the thalis, mainly the chicken biryani thalis, mutton biryani thalis, and white rice thali, and few chicken starters. The flavors were authentic, bursting with the signature of Andhra Spice. However, while the food was good, the prices are on the higher side. For example, the biryani thali was priced around 700 plus the tax, so it comes up on the higher side of the price for the taste they provide.
pickle, ಇದು ಪೌಡರ್, ಇದು ಪಿಕ್ಕಲ್, ಇದು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಲ್ಲ ಗನ್ ಪೌಡರ್.
It meals total 5
Okay, 1 second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
mutton biryani meals only 3
1, 2, 3. Okay.
एक मटन बिरयानी
Okay.
एक चिकन नोरानी स्पेशल ओके सर इधर का हो गया
बस प्लीज.
हाँ मस्त
The only disappointing that a place with such a prime locations and a beautiful interiors doesn't fully justify its pricing. For what they charge, we expected more value. The experience here is gone from good to just okay over the time. Despite these concerns, the service and the ambience make it a place worth visiting, especially if you're looking for regular settings to enjoy your meal. But keep in mind the price might not match the quality. This is a chicken non-veg thali. It will be sufficient for one person. With and one good thing is like he has mixed with some Mangalorean neer dosa as well here. So that was actually really tasty. The dosa was very soft with and when mixed up with the chicken gravy, it was tasting really good. Here, when you order any thalis, they pretty much look the similar. And if you're ordering like chicken or mutton or a plain thalis, the only difference is that the rice they provide is different here. If you order a chicken thali, they provide chicken biryani rice. If you're ordering the mutton thali, they provide mutton thali rice, and they also have it with white plain rice thali as well. And all the other curries and desserts exactly look similar in all the plates. The menu here is a true celebration of Andhra flavors, offering everything from spicy biryanis to mouth-watering curries. Each dish crafted with precision and packed with the bold, robust spices that Andhra cuisine is famous for. And the biryani also tasted good with soft basmati rice cooked well. And whether you are here for a quick bite or a leisurely meal, Royal Andhra Spice promises a dining experience that's both satisfying and memorable. And parking is also convenient here with a valid service available so that it's a plus. The overall we would rate the food 3 out of 5 and the service is a solid 4 out of 5 and the atmosphere is 5 out of 5. Generally, we visited on weekdays, so it's less crowded, but do expect some crowd during the weekends. So, if you find yourself in the HRBR layout area and craving some authentic Andhra food, Royal Andhra Spice is a must visit, at least for the sake of ambience and the service. As the name suggests, it's Andhra Spice, but you can the menu has all types of varieties here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more food explorations. Catch up in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.